This WordPress image is missing alt text and that's costing you SEO. Watch this, I'll fix it with AI in under 5 minutes. WordPress lets you add alt text to an image, but it does not tell you whether that description is actually useful. An image can technically have alt text and still be vague, repetitive, or completely disconnected from what the image shows. The other problem is scale. Once a website has hundreds of images, opening every media item individually becomes painfully slow. This is where the OpptiAI Alt library changes the workflow. Instead of opening every image one by one, you get one place showing the images across your website, their current alt text, their status, and an AI-powered quality score. Missing descriptions are clearly identified. Images that need improvement are separated from images that are already optimized, so you can focus on the work that actually matters. The library makes it easy to see which images need attention first. You can review missing descriptions, weaker alt text, and images that are already optimized. That means you are not wasting time fixing content that is already working. Let's take this image as an example. The current description is either missing or too weak to explain the image properly. The score gives us a useful starting point, but the important part is understanding why the image needs improvement. To improve it, I can select Generate. The plugin analyzes the image and creates a more useful description based on what is visible. Rather than producing a generic label, the result describes the subject and the relevant context without stuffing in unnecessary keywords. Within a few seconds, we have a stronger alt text suggestion and an improved quality score. The generated text should still be reviewed before saving. AI can speed up the work, but it does not always know the page context, the product name, or the exact purpose of the image. If something needs changing, I can edit the description before applying it. AI should speed up the workflow, not remove human judgment. Once I'm happy with the description, I can save it directly to WordPress. The alt library updates the image status and reflects the improved score without needing to reopen the standard media editor. The image is now updated and marked as optimized. The real benefit appears when this workflow is used across the whole website. You can move through missing and weak descriptions from one library, improve them, track progress, and see how much of the website has useful alt text coverage. Instead of spending hours opening images manually, the entire process becomes much easier to manage. It is also important to remember that not every image needs alt text. Decorative images may need an empty alt attribute, while meaningful images should describe the information they communicate. The goal is not to fill every field automatically. The goal is to make each image useful and accessible in its actual context. In a few minutes, we found an image that needed attention, generated a stronger description, reviewed it, saved it to WordPress, and improved its quality score. The same process can be repeated across the rest of the website without opening every image one by one. You can scan your WordPress images and try the AI Alt Text generator for free. Install OpptiAI Alt Text using the link in the description and check your site today.